This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we are talking about the clear acrylic circles we use for our mini cakes. We absolutely love these little clear plexi discs. They're perfect in size for our mini cakes. They really show them off without taking away from the designs, which is important when it's something small. You don't want the surface that it's on fighting for attention, and some of the gold boards and other options that are out there kind of do that. They're perfect for placing simply right on top of dessert plates and not blocking designs or patterns, and they're food safe and also reusable. So when people are done, you can take them back and wash them and reuse them again, which is awesome. We also keep them in a variety of sizes for some of our other small projects, like small 4, 6, and 8-inch cakes in this nice 1/8 of an inch width. And then if we're doing larger cakes or tiered cakes, we go up in the width of the plexiglass so that they're sturdier and more secure and can hold more weight. And they make nice, very low profile, non-distracting surfaces for the cakes to go on. They kind of just disappear into the background and let the cake really stand out and show. They're easy enough if you want to. You can trim the sides with ribbon to add a little extra detail, or they're fine just left plain on their own. But they're a really great buy for displaying your cakes, and they're just a nice reusable product that cuts down a little bit on the waste. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.